Buenos días, mi clase. ¿Cómo están ustedes? Today we are going to learn, well, for some of you this will be new. For some of you, you might remember this. But we are going to go over our verb estar. Estar means what, clase? That's right. Muy bien, Rafael. Estar means to be. Now we have learned that there are two verbs that mean to be in Spanish. There's ser, which we learned early in the year, and then there is estar. Estar is used in different ways than ser. Ser is used with telling time, and it's used with identification, facts, things like that. If you said someone is tall, you would use ser. But estar, we learned that we use this with location when you're telling where things are located, like ¿Dónde está el baño? Where's the bathroom? I am here, estoy aquí. But you can also use it with feelings, and these are adjectives that are describing the subject usually. And so when you're talking about how you feel, you will use estar instead of ser. So if you wanted to say I'm sad, you say estoy triste. You wouldn't say soy triste. So just to get started, we're going to go over how to conjugate estar. You have already learned this. This is just a review. So it's yo, estoy, tú, estás. Don't forget the accent on the A. Él, ella, usted, or any third person, singular person. Está. Nosotros. Estamos. And ellos, ellas, ustedes, están, with the accent on the A. So this is how you say I am, you are, he, she, you are. This is formal you, familiar you. You remember that, right? We are, they are, and you, plural, are, or in the South, as we like to say, y'all are. All right, so some of the new terms for Spanish 1 kids are some of these adjectives. Alegre, this means happy. Now we learned that feliz also means happy, like feliz cumpleaños, happy birthday. But alegre is also another word for happy. Emocionado, this means excited, emotional, you can think, but really excited is how you would translate that. Enojado, this is angry. And then nervioso is just like it sounds, it's nervous. I like that one because it's easy. It's a what class? What do we call that? Juan, sí, es a cognate, a word that's the same or similar in Spanish and English. Preocupado, preocupada, this means worried, like preoccupied. I'm preoccupied with all the things going on, so I'm worried. And then tranquilo, just think tranquil. This one means calm. And then triste, I put that next to happy because this one is sad, so that's an opposite. Triste. Okay, and we have a few others over here. So if we said Señora Lu está ocupada, that means that Señora Lu is busy. So ocupado, ocupada is busy. Preocupado is worried. So preoccupied means worried, but occupied just means you're busy. So ocupada. Now remember, when you're using these adjectives, just like any adjective, you have to make it match whatever it's modifying in both gender and number. That's why I have this up here. So since I'm talking about a girl, myself, it's going to be ocupada and not ocupado. Now if there was more than one, we would add an S on the end. Rafael está aburrido. Aburrido means bored. I bet there have been times, Rafael, that you are bored at home. So, Rafael está aburrido. We keep it masculine because Rafael is masculine. Isabel y Genoveva están contentas. So here we have Isabel and Genoveva, two girls. Están, because it's plural here, like ellas. And contentas, so feminine and plural. Estoy, remember yo is understood. You don't have to say yo. Estoy cansado. Estoy cansada. Depends. If you are masculine or feminine, you would make that end with an O or an A. And then our last one here, oh, I didn't tell you what that is. Cansado is tired. That's one that I hear kids say all the time. I'm so tired. Well, now you can say it in Spanish. Estoy cansado. And then we have nosotros estamos enfermos. So this word means sick. And since we have a plural subject, nosotros, we are sick. So we make it match in number with our subject. Did I tell you what this one is? Contento. Contento, contenta, that means content. It can also mean happy, and it can mean pleased. So you can use that in different ways. So this is the lesson. You're going to have a little quiz on Google Classroom to take to get a little bit of extra practice. It's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. This is the kind of thing I'm going to be putting on there, and all of this is in your book as well if you need it. So, buena suerte, te amo, and I hope to see you soon.